Hi Ashley, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch this video. I came across your company while doing research of plumbers in your area. Just wanted to provide some tips for ranking higher, increasing your customers and revenue. So today the first thing we'll be talking about will be content, the next citations and backlinks. So content is anything that can be found within your website. So any words you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and any videos. So in order to rank on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having a lot of content, then you are able to implement using keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are used in a search engine to find a certain service or type of company. And then we'll go more in detail about that in just a little while. The next thing will be citations. So citations are anywhere that your company can be found. So company name, address, and phone number. So this could be listed on Angie's List, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, LinkedIn, Facebook, any local directories, for example. So the more citations that you have, then people are able to find your website easier. Now, I do want to be transparent. When I did type in here plumbers in Tracy, California, you guys were actually ranking number 1. But since you actually are servicing the surrounding areas such as Manteca, I just want to take a look at how you're doing in Manteca. So the first thing that we see here would be paid per click. And I do see that you're utilizing that here in Manteca. The next will be the map pack. Now, the map pack is very important to be in. Generally, when someone Googles a certain service or a certain type of company, they will go to the first companies that they see in this little area here, go directly to the website or call. So we will want to get you in the map pack here from Manteca. The next would be the organic search. So ranking number 1 in Manteca would be the Greer Family Plumbing. And so we will go ahead and take a look at that. Now, I was able to actually find you here on the first page. So you're ranking number 9. And let's go ahead and take a little bit closer look at their website. So this is the Greer Family Plumbing website. Okay, so you're actually blowing them out of the water when it comes to content. So you're doing really good in that area. Okay, the next thing we'll be using is a tool called Ahrefs. Now this tells us how your website is doing. These are not exact numbers, but it still does give us an idea. So I'm showing that you have over 1,000 backlinks. Now backlinks are any links on a website that leads back to your website. The more backlinks that you have, the more traffic you will receive. Now, not all backlinks are the same, so you want to make sure you have some good quality backlinks. So a backlink coming from a restaurant, for example, versus coming from a hardware store will bring in different amount of traffic. So we want to make sure that you have some good quality backlinks. The next will be organic keywords. So you have over 4,000, about 4,000. That's bringing in over 3,000 people to your website per month. And then that's generating about $6,000 in revenue. Now let's take a look at your keywords that you're utilizing. So this is what's been typed in to find your company. So scrubbing bubble shower cleaner, automatic shower cleaner, clean shower, how to use plumber's putty, black water coming out of tub drain, excuse me, clean shower spray. So these are just some of the examples of what people are typing in and how you're ranking. And these are the ranks right here. Now let's take a look at the Greer Family Plumbing. So they have 448 backlinks. They're utilizing 57 keywords. They're bringing in about 76 people to their website per month, and they have about $649 in revenue. Now, I just want you to take a look at this. Now, they're ranking over you in Manteca, but they have less backlinks, using less keywords, and bringing in less people. So there may be an area here to where we would look at a little bit closer to see why and how they're outranking you. And then example of their keywords that they're using. So again, their name, Manteca Plumbers, Plumbers in Manteca. So not too much different than their name and Plumbers in Manteca. So there's definitely all family plumbing. So definitely an area of opportunity here that you can use some of the same keywords that they're using to help your company rank a little bit higher in Manteca and get more business. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I provided today. You're welcome to use those tips for yourself. If you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call back at 916-378-9773. I would like to receive feedback on the video. Just tell me what you thought about it. You can call me or you can send an email in response. Again, thank you so much for taking out your time today. You have a good day.